Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to Makeup Time with Julia. In today's video we have two foundations we are going to compare. One is from Primark foundation, £5, and the other one is Estee Lauder foundation, double wear. According to this foundation, for example, this one is a full coverage foundation, which is the Primark one. Full coverage foundation, double coverage matte foundation. Long wear, matte finishing, oil free. SPF 15. All right. My shade here is caramel. Then on Estee Lauder, which is this one, my shade is 5C2 double wear makeup. So it's actually double wear stay in place makeup. So the SPF is 10. That means Primark one is slightly higher than this one. On this very one, for example, you will have 30 ml. Primark one, how many you gonna get? Let's have a look. 32 ml. All right, so what we are about to do is, if you look at the foundation, for example, Estee Lauder here and Primark. So we're gonna do half face. Let's see how it goes. What we are trying to do here is we are going to do half face, half of my face. I will use £5 foundation. The other half of my face, I will use £33.50. This one cost me £33.50 from Boots. I got this from Boots. All right, covering. I'm gonna use Barry M to prime my face. My hand mirror will become very, very handy as usual. By the way, guys, I hope you're doing okay. I'm just gonna sit back today. I'm just gonna put this here and here. This is what we're doing. On this, I have two sponges here. I will use the pink one for this side, which Estee Lauder will go on this side. Primark, the yellow one will be Primark. If I switch, just remind me. Right, we're gonna start with Primark side. I'm gonna put it back of my hand. You know, with this type of foundation, you don't really know how much you need. You know, anyway, with my face, I like it to be full coverage. And I also have two foundation brush here. I'm gonna use this one from Oliver Harley on this one, on this side. Then I'll use this other one, better put it on this side now. So I'll start with this before I will move on to blending brush, because what I realize is when I'm applying my foundation, I like to go with this one first. You know, sometimes, especially in the morning when I'm rushing, I like to go with foundation brush, blending sponge to smooth everything out. Yeah. Since this hair don't want to, that's enough for now. So I'll just take Best Skin £5 foundation. Let me pause because I need to put this hair like away. I can just, you know what, I'll just put this wig, I will just throw it out of that French door, because I'm facing French door. You see that? You see this other side? Because I want a full, when I say full, I want more on this side, so I'm gonna go back, add just a tiny little bit. Did you get it dark already, or is it just me? Okay, we have Estee Lauder on this side. Just gonna do exactly the same thing. Okay, this one is, oh dear, I don't know, it's quite runny. The Primark one is more thicker than Estee Lauder one, so we're just gonna use this other foundation brush like what we did on the other side. Look at me, this one is a bit runny compared to the Primark one. Oh, whoa, coverage. What is my impression on Estee Lauder foundation? The fact that I have not used it all my life. It's weird. I'm done with this. It's still running. It just, the difference between this one and Primark one is just, this one is a bit runny, while the Primark one is just thick. So we're gonna use a blending brush now. So we're just gonna dab it in here and just start packing it in. Remember, we like a full coverage to cover all our will I call it mistake? No, blemish. Compared to this side, you're gonna be the judge. And I still have, I think I poured way too much. Can you tell if there's any difference? Is one shade lighter than the other one? Let me know on the comment below. If there is a difference. No, maybe I'm colorblind. I can't tell the difference. I can't tell at all. I turn this side, just exactly the same as this other side. Or am I blind again now? There we go. So the leftover here, I'm done with my face now when it comes to foundation. So I'll just put the leftover from Estee Lauder all over my neck, not too wasty. I don't usually. It's too expensive to waste. You guys know what I mean by this concealer. This after. Right, on this side, I'm gonna stick with Primark sponge. Now, that Okay, let's just contour. Big forehead. Let's bring it a bit forward. What can we do? I'm using black opal to set. I have Revolution here, which is a face powder. So I'll just use this for my whole face and dust this area out. I have this bronzer, matte bronzer here. I'll just use this brush here. See, the guy is going down. Just put it. I'm gonna do too much this time on my forehead, and that's it. With bronzer. Do I have any other highlighter here? No, I have liquid one, but I can't use it right now. It's too late. It's too late to apologize. Oh, she's quite cute though. No, when I face you like this, nothing, but when I turn, I also feel like, yeah, I'll use this Primark while we are here. Say cheese. I won't say cheese in the wine now. Take it up here. See that? For some reason lately, I just like my blush to be showing. I never used to be like that. I used to be like a dot, but now carefree. I'll just go I love messing about, don't I? I'll just use this shade here. All right, this is now the final look. Well, the final test. There is no test anymore anyway. Yeah, Estee Lauder on this side of my face and Primark on this side. So there is still tag on it. Yeah, both worked very, very well with the concealer and the contour cream I use. The concealer I used was this one, wasn't it? So they both work well with everything. With the blush, just look at the Primark side. Yeah, Estee Lauder side. There is absolutely zero difference, no difference at all. So I actually, you know, I like the Primark one, and I also like the Estee Lauder one. The Estee Lauder one, because it's very expensive, it's not something I will use all the time. for my channel, for example. It's not something I will be wearing like every day. It will be occasionally, something I will wear maybe when I'm going out, right? For this one, for example, I can wear this one to work like every day because I wear makeup to work every day. So because the price is very, very cheap, I'm not even gonna say, oh, reasonable, it's just cheap. Foundation, £5. So you get one, £33.50, and you get 6 of this. You will still have £3.50 left after 6 of this. That means before I reach for this, I will consume 6 of this, because as you can see, both of them just work exactly the same. The shades are similar. The coverage, this one was a bit thicker than this very one here. This one dry, the Primark one dry super quick, while this one kind of take time, you know, to kind of absorb to your skin and stuff like that, but it's still dry down to matte. It's really, right, guys, this is all done now. I'm not saying Estee Lauder is bad. It's really, really good. For me, it's a luxury brand. But Primark one is just a dupe. It's a brand or foundation you can get for just cheaper, to be honest. You can get for a fraction of the price. You know, you pay £33.50 on this. You pay £5 on this. That means you will get yourself 6 bottles. You will still have £3.50 left over. Who doesn't want to go for that? Who doesn't want to, you know, reach for that? So me personally, yeah, I will definitely use the Primark foundation more often than the Estee Lauder because of the price. They both are really good. But for Primark foundation to perform well exactly like Estee Lauder, just overwhelmed. That's to tell you that Primark has gone from just making clothes, 1, 2 thing, beauty to be. But the question is, would you rather spend your money on this or on this? That is not entirely up to you. But me personally, this is something I will wear once in a while I will wear this every day because I use foundation every day. You know, this will not last me for a long time. So it will make sense for me as a mom, as someone who is just struggling, to reach for this more often than this very one, because they both just do the same job. They both did a great job, and I like both of them, but I will reach for this one more than this one. That's just my personal opinion. So the lashes I used today is actually one of ours again, and it's Ella I used today, and I have used Ella before. Here she is, Ella. I have used it before. You can see some glue there. I removed it, I just pop it back in. So today, before, you know, started filming, I removed the leftover dead glue. Then I just pop it back on. Look at how beautiful she is. To find the lashes that will give me that volume, the length, is a nightmare. I said it, yeah. So that's why we went for 6 different type of lashes. Like I mentioned on my previous video. We have Faith, we have Ella, we have Mia, we have Nat, we have Abby, we have Jackie. Jackie is a bit pricey because she's cruelty free. Yeah, check it out on our website, which is www.makeupintime.com. It's now available, and girls, the girls are going very, very fast. So like this video, share this video, subscribe to our channel, and follow us on Instagram. It's Makeup in Time with Julia. That is our Instagram. We also have a Facebook page if you want to check that out as well. All right, thank you very much, guys, for watching. If you make it to this very last stage, thank you very much for watching, and I really, really hope to see you on my very next video. Hit that notification bell so when on my weekly upload or whenever I upload video, you will not miss out. And I shall see you on my very next video. Bye bye, guys.